Hello and welcome to the Week in Tech. It was the week that mass layoffs were reported at flying car company Terrafugia, just weeks after its transition ground-to-air hybrid was awarded a license for takeoff by the Federal Aviation Authority. Microsoft updated its Xbox accessibility guidelines, launching a new testing platform for developers of PC and Xbox games to make gaming more accessible. And Ford announced all of its cars made in Europe would be electric by 2030, with all models available as electric or hybrid by 2026. It was also the week that Facebook banned the sharing of all news, local and international, in Australia across its platform, rejecting a pay-for-news proposal. Users outside of Australia are also unable to read or access any Australian news publications on the platform. The proposed law, which passed through the country's parliament, would force companies like Google and Facebook to pay for news content. 300 human line judges on 18 tennis courts could be replaced at this summer's Wimbledon by the Hawkeye Live system. The All England Club is looking at the use of the technology to replace line judges at the Australian Open, the first time they've been replaced by this tech at a major tournament. And finally this week, an AI robot has announced her first art exhibition in London. Ada will be exhibiting at the Design Museum in May. Named after Ada Lovelace, her exhibit is expected to feature self-portraits and a font she designed.